What's up, guys? Today I'm showing you how to remove complex watermarks, text, and logo watermarks from your photos using AI with Fotor. If you've ever struggled with pesky watermarks ruining your perfect shot, stick around. First, head over to Fotor's website. Once you're there, navigate to Photo Editing with AI and select the Watermark Remover tool. I'll upload this scenic photo that has a logo watermark. You get two choices here, but the advanced mode is your best friend. It can remove watermarks, logos, and text in one go. Hit remove and watch the magic happen. Now I wanted to test it out with a trickier image, one that has grid lines along with text watermarks. Even here, advanced mode makes it super simple. With just one click, those grid lines and text vanish. Look at that transformation. Amazing, right? The real challenge is usually with portraits. Faces demand precision, and traditionally, it was tough to remove watermarks without messing up the details. But check this out. Fotor's AI watermark remover effortlessly erases even those stubborn marks covering a face. No more tedious Photoshop work. So, if you're tired of dealing with watermarks, text, and logos on your photos, give Fotor a try. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and share your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.